Okay, so we are from Gokongwei Brothers Foundation. This is a family foundation of the Gokongwei Group. This was founded in 1992 by our late founder, Mr. John Gokongwei. He believed that to build the future is through education. So we provide different scholarship programs that focuses on STEM. Of course, we provide opportunities for those who want direct employment through TechBox, through our TechBox Center. And of course, we have a scholarship for educators because we believe to be able to influence more learners, we have to capacitate and to actually support our teachers. So this is what we believe now. This is what we believe in the foundation. That's why we want to give support to quality. We want to support our Filipino learners by giving access to quality education.
Where can I send my
Okay po. So as of the moment po, the ongoing scholarship programs na bukas po ngayon, or ongoing po ang application is one, our GBF Teach Them Scholarship for Masters, kung saan po we provide support to our public school educators na are taking masters. So, there are different courses po na supported. So, they may apply po directly to see if qualified po ang kanilang courses. Pero po, again, the scholarship actually focuses and provides more opportunities for masters para po sa mga public school educators po natin.
So, para ma-enhance yung ability nila doing
Yes po. And of course, to support our learners with different or new opportunities that they can learn from taking masters po. Varies po, but for the master's po, you're currently supposed to be working in a public education. As much as possible po, we support. But of course, to be more specific, kasi po, baka we're opening the doors din for others to be able to help. Mas nakita po kasi namin na mas matulungan po ang ating mga public school teachers po talaga. Sa lifetime po, it varies na po pero nasa mga almost 2,000 na rin po.
Once again, information lang po yung website.
Okay po. So, you can visit us on our website. It's GokongweiBrothersFoundation.com or .org. Sorry kung nakamali lang po sa but you can search us on Google, so Gokongwei Brothers Foundation to be safe. And of course, if you will be applying for scholarship programs, you can visit our FB page. It's Gokongwei Brothers Foundation. So just to remind everyone, we don't actually ask for application fees. So this is free. You can apply free. But of course, to get to know the qualifications we offer for the Teach Them Scholarship, especially for masters, please visit this link. It's bit.ly/m/GBF Teach Them 2024. And if you want a scholarship that will provide you direct employment, so a TechBook course, 1 year free education with OJT and direct employment, so you can visit the Scholar Me One FB page to know more about our TechBook scholarship program. Thank you so much.